Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy wavy ponytail. We're going to start off by loosely curling the hair. I'll pop my tongue in the description below for you. But all we're going to do is take small sections of hair and wrap them around the barrel of a tongue. So make sure these aren't laying flat. And as you release it from your curling tongue, give the ends a slight tug just to loosen up that curl. And just carry on this way until you've curled all of the hair. Now we're just going to divide out the front of the hair by running a comb from the top of the head to just behind the ears and clip this out of the way for later. And repeat this on the opposite side. Add some texture spray to the remaining hair. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Now taking those two side sections, all we're going to do is twist both sides towards the head and then just bring them together at the back of the head and secure them together with a clear elastic band. Pop your fingers behind that elastic band, grab the little ponytail and pull it through just to tighten up the twists. Now we're going to slip our whole hand behind that elastic band so it's around your wrist, and then rotate your hand so it's pointing down. Then grab all that hair that's hanging down and pull it through that little loop we've created around our wrist. Then just tighten everything up by pulling at the edges underneath the elastic band. Now we're going to secure the twists to the head with a couple of bobby pins on each side. Next, grab your texture spray and apply it all over those twists and the top of the head. Then we're just going to gently pinch and pull at the twists on both sides and also at the hair at the crown just to give it more texture. Finally, pinch and pull at the twists that wrap around that ponytail. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.